Welcome the our channel. Today we how to install Photoshop mockups with smart objects, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, download the Photoshop mockup file from a trusted source. Once the download is complete, locate the zip file in your downloads folder. Extract the contents of the zip file by right-clicking on it and selecting Extract All. Open the extracted folder to find the Photoshop. Launch Adobe Photoshop on your computer. In Photoshop, click on File in the top menu. Select Open from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the folder where your mockup file is saved. Select the .psd file and click Open. Once the file is open, locate the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. Identify the layer marked as Smart Object. Double-click on the Smart Object layer thumbnail. This action will open a new tab featuring the Smart Object itself. In the new tab, you can add your design or image. To do this, you'll want to either drag and drop your image into the Smart Object tab or go to File, then Place Embedded. After placing the image, once you're satisfied with the placement, save the Smart Object by clicking File and then Save. Close the Smart Object tab to return to. You should now see your design integrated into the mockup. If needed, adjust the size or position of your design using the Layers panel. To finalize your mockup, you can add any additional effects or text layers as desired. Once everything looks perfect, save your final image by going to File, then Export, and choosing your desired format. And that's how you install and use Photoshop mockups with smart objects effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.